Hello everyone. Let's take a detailed look at how to operate and adjust ANDELI MIG 205 Pro Max. Interface Functions Demo. In MIG mode, you can select gas-shielded welding or gasless welding, and choose corresponding wire diameter. SYNERGIC MIG mode. Voltage will auto-match with the current, and fine-tuning is available. This mode is suitable for general welding applications. Adjustable parameters. Inductance, pre-flow, slow wire feeding, burn back, post-flow. Manual MIG mode. Wire feed speed and voltage can be adjusted separately. This mode is suitable for precision welding applications. Welding procedure selection. For spot welding, you need to set spot time. Press trigger to weld. The welding process will automatically stop when the set time is up. 2T mode. Press and hold to weld. Release to stop. 4T mode. Press to start welding. Press again to stop. Gas MIG welding. Aim at the workpiece seam. Press trigger to weld. Gas protection will reduce spatter and create a cleaner weld bead. Flux scored MIG welding. Aim at the workpiece seam. Press trigger to weld. The flux core will form a slag layer. Chip or grind off the slag to reveal a bright and clean weld. Spool gun welding. Switch to spool gun mode. Choose gas or gasless welding. Select wire size. Adjust wire feeding speed and voltage. Aim at the workpiece seam. Press trigger to weld. With gas welding, gas protection will reduce spatter and create a cleaner weld bead. With gasless welding, the flux core will form a slag layer. Chip or grind off the slag to reveal a bright and clean weld. MMA welding. Switch to MA mode. Set current. Anti-sticking welding rod. Arc force. Hot start VRD. Clamp the electrode with holder. Lightly touch the workpiece to strike the arc. The electrode will melt during welding, forming a slag layer. Chip or grind off the slag to reveal bright and clean weld bead. Lift TIG welding. Switch to lift TIG. Set current. Turn on torch gas switch. Touch the tungsten to the workpiece to auto-ignite arc. For wide seams, add filler wire manually. With argon gas protection and proper technique, you will get golden fish scale pattern welds. This is the user guide of ANDELI MIG 205 Pro Max.